Let me ask you something uncomfortable. If your phone, your laptop, and AI tools disappeared tomorrow, what skill would still make you valuable? Because here's the scary truth. Nobody likes to say out loud. By 2026, a lot of people won't lose jobs to AI. They'll lose jobs to people who know how to use AI. And if you're a student or in your early 22nd, this is either the best time of your life or the moment you fall behind without realizing it. Today, I'm breaking down the real skills you must start building before 2026. Not degrees, not marks, not certificates. Skills that actually protect your future. Stay till the end, because the last one decides everything. Skill has shown. Learning how to learn fast. Let's start with the most important one. By 2026, information will be everywhere. Courses, videos, AI tutors, free knowledge. So the real question isn't, do you have information? It's, can you learn faster than others? Most students struggle because they study passively. Reading, highlighting, rewatching videos feels productive. Zero retention. Action, start using active learning. Teach what you learn, even to your wall. Test yourself without notes. Apply knowledge immediately. If you can learn faster than others, you will never be replaceable. Pause. And this skill makes the next ones easier. Skill #2, deep focus in a distracted world. Let's be real. Reels, shorts, notifications, messages. Your attention is under attack 24/7. By 2026, focus will be a superpower. 2 students, same syllabus, same tools. One can focus for 90 minutes. The other checks phone every 5 minutes. Guess who wins? Action, train focus like a muscle. Phone outside the room, 60-90-minute deep work blocks, one task only. Focus beats talent every single time if it's a moction, but focus alone won't save you. Skill #3, communication or staying invisible. You might be smart, you might know a lot, but if you can't communicate clearly, you will stay unnoticed. By 2026, people who can. Explain ideas simply. Speak confidently. Write clearly. Will get opportunities faster than people with better resumes. Action. Practice communication daily. Explain concepts in simple words. Stop over-explaining. Speak slower, not louder. Confidence is not personality. It's a practice skill. SCALE, #4 digital and AI literacy, not coding. Listen carefully. You don't need to become a programmer. You don't need to build AI models. But by 2026, you must know how to work with AI. Students who ignore this will struggle. Students who learn this will move faster than everyone. Action, start simple. Use AI to learn faster. Use AI to summarize, plan, brainstorm, understand what AI can and cannot do. AI is not replacing you. Someone using AI is skill #5, self-discipline without motivation. Motivation is unreliable. Discipline is predictable. Most people wait to feel like it. By then, it's too late. By 2026, the people ahead will not be the most motivated. They'll be the most consistent. Action, build systems, not willpower. Fixed study times, non-negotiable habits, low starting friction. Discipline is freedom in disguise. Pause. Now here's the skill nobody talks about. Skill #6, adaptability, not comfort. The world will change faster than your plans. Jobs will evolve. Skills will expire. What works today might not work next year. People who cling to comfort will panic. People who adapt will survive. Action, every year, ask, what skill is becoming useless? What skill is becoming valuable? Adapt early, not when you're forced to. Skill #7, building a personal advantage. This is the final one, and it's the difference between average and unstoppable. A personal advantage could be a rare skill combination, strong online presence, practical experience, problem-solving ability. Marks alone won't save you. Degrees alone won't save you. Action, start stacking. One main skill, one supporting skill, one communication platform. That combo makes you hard to replace. Closing, this is your 2026 wake-up call. Let me be honest with you. You don't need to master everything. You just need to start before it's too late. Pick one skill from this list. Start today. Even 20 minutes. 2026 is coming fast. And future, you will either thank you or wish you had started now. If you want to build a future that AI can't replace, hit subscribe and let's level up together. No panic, no pressure, just progress. See you in the next one.